Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable audio media download on Telegram application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And after we have our Telegram application opened, we can tap on this three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. And we have to select settings right here. Okay, and after that we can tap on the data and storage. It's over here, and here we can disable the automatic media download. You just need to click on the toggle button to turn it off. Make sure that you click on the toggle button on the when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi, like this. Okay, and now the automatic media download on my Telegram has been turned off. And after that, after you disable this feature, the media or the file on your Telegram group chat or the Telegram personal chat won't be automatically saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable automatic media download on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.